session opening day. There was a little bit of shape, very full though, but I'll be intrigued as to see how much, if there is a little bit, just a bit of shape with the new ball. Oh, that's what he brings to the table, this Kamara, particularly against the left-handed. Short and wide, and a man in form is not going to miss out there. Abid Ali underway with a boundary too.
Ball him! Absolutely brilliant delivery. Went past the outside edge. He was playing at the line of the delivery, but just enough movement to clip that off stump. What a brilliant start for Vishwa Fernando in the over. Morning, Ramesh.
Morning, Roshan. Yeah, cracker of a ball. Yeah, beautifully bowled. That away movement, castling the left-hander. Yeah, richly deserves that shape.
Got him! Vishwa Fernando is on fire. Well, the captain's gone. What an over this is turning out to be. Azhar Ali's poor run continues. The Sri Lankans will be celebrating. Absolutely peach of a delivery. Came back, went between bat and body.
Yeah, his disastrous run of form continues, or lack of form. He's okay. That back heel is behind the popping crease. He's bowled a couple of great deliveries here. Oh, played all round it. Can use the crease and made it into a half tracker. Beautifully played. Looks to be in good shape on this track as well. Babar, a punch through the offside and a 4.
Abid Ali has gone fine. That will run away to the boundary. And as you said, this is what happens. He's searching, going up. Wicketkeeper standing up. Punched. It can lure him into a false sense of security when you play shots like relaxing the batsman somewhat. Short delivery. He's not going to waste time. Abid Ali is quite willing to pounce on anything loose. Now this is where this experiment could backfire. He's just releasing the pressure. 2 boundaries. They're just checking whether it went all the way or not.
You're talking about relaxing the batsman. It appears to be kind of a thigh massage for Abid Ali. He is quite relaxed, in the mood to dominate. Yeah, with that pace, you've got to get your length right. Has that gone all the way? It was a good hit. Trying to find out whether that hit the rope on the full or not. Doesn't hit a lot of 6s. Mazza? Only 5 6s for Abid Ali in over 100 first-class matches. So if this goes for 6, it's going to be a big event in his career.
Yep. Hitting a 6 in his second test innings.
Go on, give it to him. What's happening?
Oh, it's a 6. It's a big moment. Punched off the back foot. That will run away to the boundary. Vishwa Fernando just dragging his length. As you said. Was there an inside edge? They're very excited. And given. He's referred it straight away. I thought I heard 2 sounds. That's why I felt there might be an inside edge. But this is a huge scalp for Sri Lanka.
TV umpire to director. We have a review for LBW. The original decision given is out. Can we start with the front foot first, please? It's a fair delivery. Can we move on to front on? Doesn't appear to be any bat involved, but can we just use Ultredge to confirm that? There's a spike as the ball is next to the bat. Satisfied that there is bat involved. I'm going to go back to Bruce on field. Bruce, I'm going to ask you to change your decision. You're on screen now.
Well, great relief for...
Into the right-hander. You can't bowl that length. Abid Ali is feasting on this short pitch bowling from the Sri Lanka. Oh dear, go pick it up. He's so quick to pounce onto that back foot. And he's loving it. More runs. Nicely glided through that vacant area. So the runs continue to flow for Pakistan. Here or Embula?
Embers.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Waited for him to drift onto the pads. And he's just helped it on its way. Pakistan Embula. More runs, more runs. That's the length the batsman's waiting for. Oh dear, oh dear.
Driven through extra cover, that was overpitched. That will run away to the boundary. That will please Bazid Khan.
It'll please self. More space.
Now that has to be close. It has to be close. It is given. That is a huge wicket. Now they're going to have a word. But that was a really good delivery. Well, the time's up. Now he's referred it almost at the last minute, so we'll have to wait and see.
Bruce, TV umpire to director. We have a player review for LBW. Original decision given is out. Can we start with the front foot first, please? It's a fair delivery. Can we move on to front on? Doesn't appear to be any bat. Can we just confirm that with the use of ultra edge? Ultra edge coming up. Appears to be clear. Gap between bat and pad and a flat line. Satisfied there is no bat. Can we go on to ball tracking? Ball tracking coming up. Pitching outside off. Impact is in line and wickets hitting. I'm going to go back to Bruce on field. I'm going to ask you to stay with your original decision. I'll let you know when you're on screen. You're there now. Thank you.
Sri Lanka's ploy working, and the ploy was to bowl the full length.
Yeah, beauty. Lovely, lovely touch from Babar.
Keep breathing. Keep the scoreboard moving.
There's that release shot, and it's a big six. Big shot from Babar. Yeah, that's nicely placed. He's got so many options, even though that wasn't such a proper drive, but
Don't bother running, and he doesn't. Babar Azam, 50 for him here in Karachi to go with the 100 just last week. Well played, sir. Ends the over, and it's 105 for 3 here. National Stadium. Asad Shafiq says, I'm going to join the party here, Bubba. He's just ruined the over somewhat there.
that line.
Gone. Great bowling. Turn and bounce. Dipped on the batsman. He was looking to come forward. He dipped on him. And then the perfect turn and bounce and an easy stumping. That's a big wicket.
That's fabulous piece of bowling. And they say that a spinner constructs a wicket by bowling efficiently for 6 balls or 10 balls. So he was on target. Shortened the length. He saw the batsman coming out of the crease. It spun just enough to beat the outside edge of Babar Azam and beautifully did.
Oh, that's an option. On his pads, the sweep shot is a very good option. Again.
Asad Shafiq. Beautifully struck down the pitch. What a way to get off the mark. Hammered it for a 6. A patch, it has spun. If it has hit the green patch, it has skidded off the surface. Played it fine for runs. He's a good player of spin bowling. So 2 very fine players of spin bowling on the crease.
Talking about the best case scenario for Sri Lanka.
Nicely played. Slightly wider. That was enough for Asad Shafiq. So hard. You have no time to react. It's made out of fiberglass. But that's made a lot of class there from Shafiq. Again, just a bit of width. Plays it very late, and I'll have 4 he said. Good shout. That's a good shout. Given. He's got a good stride in, but it looks very, very straight now. Pakistan, they have only 1 review left. 3 to go. Time's up. He'll have to go. He's late. Oh, he's given it. I thought the timer had ticked over.
TV umpire to director. We have a review for LBW. The original decision given is out. Can we start with the front foot first, please? It's a fair delivery. Can we move on to front on? Doesn't appear to be any bat, but we'll confirm that with the use of ultra edge, please. There's a gap between bat and ball. Flat line. Satisfied there is no bat. Can we go on to ball tracking? Ball tracking, pitching outside off, impact in line and wickets hidden. Gonna go back to Joel. You're gonna stay with your original decision. You're on screen now. Make your signal.
Slip gully. Silamid off. Oh, sweeps nicely. He's taken it off the stumps to get off the mark.
For everyone concerned. Post tee. And a half century to Shafiq. Good work.
Yeah, they needed that. They needed the calming influence of Shafiq. He's got to his 26th test half century. He already has 12 centuries to his name, and Pakistan would be hoping he can go on to make his 13th. Deft touches, played with a lot of control and composure.
Well, just like this. Now, you're not watching the highlights package. This is straight after tea. This is Kamara with another one, and he's disturbed the furniture again.
And all the fast bowlers wicket from the far end, they've only hit the stumps. 4 of them, 3 bowls, 1 LBW. And Rizwan, first ball he faced, that was before tea, he swept it for 4. And then on the other side of the break, he's cleaned up, makes the long walk back. Oh, brilliant.
Oh, it's a biggie. He's hit on there. Yeah, I think so. Can't go upstairs. This one, yeah, look, very adjacent. And he's on a hat trick because they don't have a review anyway. And this is a beauty.
Great ball to receive first up. Yasir Shah. Beaten all ends up. Lairu Kumara. What's he had for tea? Oh, that's plum. That's plum. Even if they had another review, that was... Oh, wonderful shot. Oh, he'll get 4. Timing.
Mercedes late. That's a beauty, an absolute beauty. And it does find the outside edge because there is that flight, a nice little bit of purchase. And Abbas is out of here.
2 balls to survive, and he doesn't. Oh, this is brilliant bowling from Ambulden. That's why I like him. Such an easy action. He bowls this a lot slower. This is Ranganehira's speed. Dhananjay De Silva in the slips. Sri Lanka opt to use him when the spinners bowl.
So what about this field then for Asad?
That's gone high, down to fine leg. Will it be taken? It is! It is! Lairu Kumara has got the 4th. Asad Shafiq is distraught. He's disappointed. He was looking to just help it along and only found the man on the fine leg boundary.
Well, this is richly deserved because he's bowled a couple of special balls. This wasn't such a great ball, and Asad Shafiq will be cursing himself because he was batting quite nicely. The focus was off him because they'd allowed him an easy passage to just get out quickly. That's 1 in the air and a boundary. So that's
the best way out for them. Down the wicket, it's gone high. It's really high. Angelo Matthews is the fieldsman. Takes it. Good catch. Very good catch. Never easy running back, I can tell you. It was falling over his shoulder. He had to judge it well, and he did that extremely well.
Well, I think in the end, Shaheen Afridi also felt the need to just get on with it. No point in defending when you know that you'll eventually get a good one. So get Sri Lanka in on a pitch where they might get good response before the end's play. But terrific effort by Sri Lanka. Spin has worked beautifully, pace has worked brilliantly. It's been a great team effort. He wanted to bat first on this pitch. I'm sure he'd be pretty glad seeing Pakistan inserted. They opted for it.
We'll need maximum in this little session. Just a bit of movement. Swinging down the leg side. They're all excited. Just a bit of shape back into the right-hander.
Yeah, fair call. Edge over the slips it goes. Boundary for Karunaratne. Gets off the mark very streakily.
Yeah, the perfect delivery with the new...
Draws him into the shot, but it's in the gap.
Shaheen Shah.
Oh, lovely shot. Lovely shot. He just waited for that to swing back into him and leant on it. Now that should ease the nerve. Oh, they've asked for it. They're asking for it. Nothing from umpire Wilson. Rizwan says, let's go up. Yes, they do.
PTV umpire to director. We have a review for 49. Original decision given is not out. Can we begin with the front foot first, please? It's a fair delivery. Can we move on to front on? Can't tell whether this bat or... Yeah, I'll have a look at the other angle. Appears to be a gap between ball and bat. Can we just confirm that with the use of Ultra Edge? Oh, it's a spike as the ball is right next to the bat. Can you rock and roll that for me? Yeah, thank you. I'm satisfied that there is ball on bat. I'm going to go back to drill on field. Drill you on screen now. Change your decision.
Great review, great review. Rizwan was very confident.
Stylish, beautifully struck through the offside. There was a gap, and that gap was well used and utilized by left-hander. Graceful drive. Oh, bowling, big inside edge. Stumps are rattled. Abbas has got a wicket.
And it's a biggie. Captain goes. Yeah, it's that little bit of movement, just subtly back in, but it gripped enough off the seam and created the issue. Problem, yeah, it.
Turned him around. Abbas has got this ability to surprise you with a Jaffa.
Not big anything. Short and wide, it's uppish. But it's a welcome boundary for Kusal Mendis. The way to go, pounce on anything on this. Oh, off the edge, it's taken. Well, he's standing his ground. He's just checking, I think, whether the catch's clean. Well, Kusal Mendis is not walking. The two umpires are going to have a chat, but it looked a clean catch to me. Let's see. Let's see what the soft signal is if they go upstairs. I think the soft signal will be out. Yep. Soft signal is out, so you need conclusive evidence to overturn it.
It's a fair delivery. Can we move on to front on? Yeah, the fingers seem to be under the ball. You can zoom that up for me. Yes, thanks. Here we go. Yeah, fingers are clearly under the ball and ball into the hands. Yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. It's a clean catch. We're going to go to the big screen with the decision of out. I repeat, out.
Turned out to be an easy decision for the third umpire. But what a vital blow for Pat. Ooh, uppish. Just a bit uppish. But Ambuldinia manages to get off the mark. They might run 3. And it's just been stopped inside the boundary, and they'll trot back for 3. He actually checked that shot. He just managed to elude the man close by. And at the over, it's 64 for 3. And I think the Sri Lankans will be relieved that that is stumps. It's been a real taxing, challenging day for the batsman. 84 runs and 8 wickets has been the return on session 3 on this first test match, and already plenty of drama.
Certainly moved forward this test match. First year off play, 13 wickets to fall. Last session 8 wickets, and 3 of them Sri Lankan top order.